Breaking news coming in, and this is in regard to the Kolkata rape case at the Law College. And the main accused in the case, Manojit Mishra, has been taken to the scene of the crime where the heinous crime was committed by the main accused, Manojit Mishra. So the police there taken him in order to reconstruct the crime scene. The accused was brought to that Kolkata college, the South College. This is a South Kolkata Law College. There, the main accused was taken, and after that, the main accused was taken back to the police station, is what we are hearing. So, the accused brought to the college in order to reconstruct the scene of the crime. We have my colleague Shreyashi joining us. Shreyashi, senior Kolkata police there, the team leading the probe, and several cases have been registered against the man. And now, finally, what they are doing now is reconstructing the crime scene. Very important, very crucial in order to piece together the investigation and in order to make it a watertight case against the main accused.
Well, that's right, Divya. The police had already informed the court that they require an extension in custody because they want to recreate the crime scene. This is part of any, investigation that takes place where the police would want to piece the puzzle together as to what really led to that moment when this heinous crime had taken place and what happened thereafter. So the reconstruction is part of the investigation, and this comes a day after the detective department of the Kolkata police took over the investigation from the SIT, and they were brought in the early hours of the morning for that reconstruction. And now they've been taken back to the police headquarters where they are stationed and they are being interrogated. Of course, this reconstruction is also going to be matched with the statements of not just the victim, which was filed under Section 164 in front of a magistrate, a secret statement that is usually the norm. And this will be also cross-checked with the statements filed by the three accused and the security guard who was arrested on Saturday.
Break it out for us. Were all the three accused in the case? This includes the two others who were filming that heinous crime that was being committed by the main accused, or was it just the main accused who was taken to the scene of the crime?
Well, all the four accused were taken to the crime scene. That includes two current students of the South Calcutta Law College, the prime accused Manojit Mishra, who was teaching as a temporary staff in this college, and also the security guard inside whose room this crime was committed. The victim in her complaint had alleged that it was inside the security room that they forced themselves upon her and videographed her while this crime was being committed. So all four were taken in to understand what exactly unfolded on the 25th of June at the South Calcutta Law College when this incident took place.